Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and back in the year 2000, I really wanted Monopoly Millennial Edition, the 2000 edition. And so I bought two of them. I got two for Christmas after looking really hard for them. One of them I played with and is long gone. And this is one that was still in the box, and I decided to open it up and play with it with my nieces who came over. And so I'm just going to go over it and kind of show you what it is, kind of an unboxing video and a review video. And let me know in the comments if you've ever played the Millennial Edition, the Monopoly 2000 per se. And so here it is. It comes in this it was like a blue plastic cover, which was pretty flimsy and kind of coming apart anyway. Then it had a plastic bag that it came out, and this is what the back of the box looked like. As you can see, we'll go over all these cool pieces and everything and all the things that it comes with. But this is what the tin looks like, and it had a little seal on it talking about it having the collector's tin. Once you remove that, this is what it looked like. A really nice 3D tin, and really high quality. Says Millennium Edition on it, and just a nice piece to have for the game closet. And so when you open it up, this is what the board looks like. It says Monopoly Millennium Edition right on it. And when you open it up, the board is really nice. It has like this rainbow type color look to it as you look at it at different angles. It's kind of hard to see on the camera here. You'll see it a little bit later. But anyway, this is what the board itself looks like. And it has the chance and community chest cards. I really like the dice that it comes with. They're like this translucent orange color, which are really cool. And really like those. And so we'll get into the rest of the tokens and the money here, but this is what the tin kind of looks like that it sits in. And so there's the die here. And I really like the hotels and the houses. So this is the hotel, and they're designed to glow around the edges and give a futuristic look. And the houses are really cool because they're stackable. So in Monopoly, you go to 4 houses and then it turns into a hotel. But it's pretty cool that the houses stack on each other, and again, the edges are meant to light up. So here's the tokens: the globe, the inline skate, a futuristic car for the year 2000, the Concorde jet, which was really cool, a bicycle, and here's a phone. And if you look at it closely, it actually has the Monopoly man's face on it. It was supposed to be a video phone for the 2000s. A flat screen TV, and then I think it was a Golden Lab was the dog. Now the money, if you look at it, it comes in out of order. It's kind of strange how it's packaged, but anyway, when you pull it out, it's translucent, it's plastic, so it's really cool. When you set it down, you can kind of see through it. So there's the $500 bill. This is the rest of the colors here, and the rest of the dollars. So here's the 100, and so as you can see, as you set it down, it's translucent and really cool. It takes quite a bit of these to be stacked on each other to see the colors, especially when you get into the pink one here. The pink 5 and the $1 bill almost look the same color, but the 5 is actually pink. But it takes a few of them to stack on each other to see that, or maybe a white background or black background would help with that. But here's the $100 bill. It says $100 on it. And it's only one-sided, and then when you look at it down in the corner, it did have Monopoly Millennial Edition, and the bottom left corner has a date on it. So when you zoom in on it, I thought this was pretty interesting. It said 1998, so this must have been licensed, and the idea of it 2 years earlier or something. So anyway, here's the bags of the houses here, and the hotels here, and so it's kind of fun to see that. And here's an example of what the actual property deed looks like. And so when you look at it, it's you can see 2000 written behind it. Otherwise, it looks like a pretty normal Monopoly deed. At the bottom, Millennium Edition. So the backside looks pretty normal, just the mortgage rate and price and the name again. So nothing too special there. Here's the little pamphlet that comes in it with the instructions and the rules. So a nice little Millennium Edition version here. Nothing too exciting, but as you go through it, it's kind of neat, and it has information on all the gameplay rules and everything that you've probably skipped and just played on your own and done your own rules, and kind of goes through and talks about why the tokens are what they are, and this gives kind of a cool definition here. But as we're kind of going through here, I'll read from the back of the box. It says, this comes with the outer box you hold in your hands, the collectible embossed game tin, the game board of silver-colored holographic foil, the most futuristic treatment ever, 8 redesigned Millennium tokens, hotels and stackable houses that glow on their edges, redesigned chance, community chest, and title deed cards, and translucent money. A cherished part of our past, the Monopoly game is filled with icons that have entered our culture. Celebrate this heritage with an edition that exalts the past and takes us into the millennium. So anyway, that's kind of the game thing for it. And again, I remember wanting this so bad because I played Monopoly a lot with my friends, and I could not find these. They were all sold out, and my uncle ended up finding one and got it for me, and then my parents had also got one for me, and I paid for one of them $40. Now on eBay, you can see they're worth about $10 still. I thought it would be a collector's item. But anyway, I decided I'd break it open and have a little fun with it, since it is a board game. It's designed to be played with and enjoyed with the family. And the whole reason is I had some nieces over who had traveled down, and I just wanted to make a memorable experience, and they thought it was kind of lame but kind of fun to play. So anyway, we enjoyed it, and we'll continue to enjoy it for years now. And so let me know in the comments if you've ever played Monopoly Millennial Edition, if you've ever owned it, and if you ever play Monopoly at all. Thanks for watching, guys.